Hello, today I will show you how to build this electric motor with speed control. You can make the coil using a tube of toilet paper and insert a piece of wire. Take care that the wire passes exactly through the center of the tube. Then take your magnet wire and start winding your coil. After you finish winding your coil, that must have around 100 turns, take a small piece of magnet wire and insert it below the coil. And then make a tie. With this you will get a more compact coil and you will avoid unwinding of the coil. You can make 4 such ties around your coil. Now apply epoxy glue here and here to fix the axis and take a wooden cylinder with a hole in the center and insert it in one of the ends of the axis. This will be the commutator of the motor. Cover the commutator with copper tape and the ends of the coil, one is soldered to the commutator and the other to the axis. The rotor is mounted on a wooden base with the magnet below. It is mounted on 2 pieces of wire, and to complete the commutator you have to cover it in tape, electrical tape, but leaving a triangular section uncovered. The last step in building the motor is to add the contact points, here and obviously at the commutator. For the commutator I am using copper wick for the soldering, which is soft and makes a good contact. You can also use a bare copper wire and it works, but it will have too much friction and your motor will run slower. Now let's test it. The speed control is very simple. With the contact in this position to the left, the current passes through the coil for more time than when it is in this position. So here the motor will turn slowly, and in this other position it will turn at a faster speed. Thanks for visiting my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.